Hello, my name is Joshua-Mandel. I'm a current student at Rankin Technical College, and this is my AutoZone point of sale system for our Introduction to Programming class. It will be presented by me, and it is also programmed by myself. So this will be a point of sale system designed to go at any AutoZone location. So let's get right into it. So for the purpose of this project, I set out to create a seamless checkout experience for both the customer and the cashier at any AutoZone location across the nation. As a manager, you'll be able to add, delete, and revise current products and their properties, things like the price, the name, quantity in stock, and so on. And you also instantly be able to update the product list with all of your new and modified or deleted products so that the customer will then instantly be able to buy it. So this is the part where I will compare it to similar apps and show you why you should choose this program. So, similar apps include Clover, which is a point of sale system that is designed to go on an iPad, Lightspeed, which is a web-based point of sale system that usually uses a desktop, as well as Revel. Revel is also usually ran on a Mac or PC as a desktop application. Something that all of these apps have in common, though, is they all take a percentage of your sales, they lack immediate tech support, and they don't offer flexibility in the way that they are programmed. So, with our program, obviously you have the programmer on staff to take care of any technical needs, any bug fixes, and the like will be able to be fixed in-house. Some of the program features that we'll go through is the login system, which checks for manager or employee login. You have your drop-down menu navigation, which includes access to the manager mode and the log-off tabs for simple navigation throughout the system. A drop-down list with product categories. So when you click the product drop-down list, buttons will populate and then will be ready to be added to the cart. There's an inventory search bar and a receipt preview view, both in the main form and the checkout form. And then you also have the option to delete items out of that list, which we will see in the live demo. Some more program features. We have a cash, credit, or debit, and gift card payment options, coupon options, manager override, which will allow in-progress orders to be canceled, and refunds given to the customer when you call a manager over. As well as a log off that will return to the, well, not the home page, but the login screen. All right, and that does it for the presentation portion. Let's go right into the live demo. And let's start. So first thing you're going to notice is the login screen goes right to the center of the screen. It's a nice, easy way to log in. Just trying to remember my password and username info. So we'll log in as a manager. Gave it a second to load the program for the first time. All right, so let's kind of go through the features we have right now. This is the navigation menu where you can go to your manager mode. You can log out of the program. Here's your product categories. So you have cleaning products, motor oil, spark plugs, tires, windshield wipers. If you wanted to add new categories, you'd have to add it through the database. So let's select cleaning products. So here you have a list of cleaning products that are then populating this group box. And then this is pretty neat. This is probably the coolest feature and took me the longest to program, is these buttons. So these are all dynamically created buttons that get information from the database, and then also have a click event added to them. So let's say your customer wanted to get these chemical guys, inner clean interior quick detailer. This is actually pretty good stuff. I have this at home. So let's say they wanted a bottle of that. I guess it comes in a bottle. They also want to purchase 4 tires. Let's look at the BF Goodrich G-Force. Those look pretty good. All-season tires. Let's get 4 of those added in there. And you'll notice the subtotal, tax, and total payment due is then updated every time that you add an item. Let's say you accidentally added like a Fortune Perfectus all-season tire, and obviously the customer doesn't want that. So let's click on that, and that will delete it and update the total payment due. And you know what, while we're here, let's get some windshield wipers. And you know what, these ones look pretty good. These Modium Premium windshield wiper blades, 26 inches, that'll fit my car. And they're only $16.99, that's not too bad. So let's get a set of those. Alright, now we have our cart, we have our total payment due. You know what, actually I forgot motor oil. Let's type in motor oil here. And let's click that. You know what, I use this mobile high mileage because my car is over 100,000 miles. So let's grab, we'll grab an extra 5 quarts of that. Alright, now total payment due, that's quite a lot. Something that I want to be able to give customers the ability to do is, one second here. Something that I want to be able to give the customers the ability to do is split their payment between cash and credit. A lot of times people have cash on hand that they want to get rid of, and then they want to just put the rest of it on the credit card. So let's do that. Let's say the customer has $300. You can click either 300 here, or the 100 button 3 times to get 300. Or, you know, you could just type it in right here. Either way, just to kind of show you that it works both ways. 150 here. Customer still owes $735.21. So we know that the customer still owes money. Let's click OK. Let's go back here. And you know what? He's got an extra 150. We'll accept that as well. The customer owes $585.21. Still updates here. And let's say we want to put the rest on the credit card. So something I didn't mention yet, it shows the current cart in this box here, so you'll be able to keep track of what the items are, even though they're being covered by this extra form. And the fact that we're getting this, list box, I think that's what it is. List box is being transferred from this form to this form. It's being sent from one form to another. Okay. So let's do this. Expiration date 12/26. Billing zip code 12345. CVV number 3312. Your payment information is not valid. Please try again. Oh, you know what? I added an extra number here, so that's why that's not working. Let's go back and delete that number. Payment has been processed. Amount due is 0. As soon as you close that or hit the OK button, that will close, and you will be able to start a new order. So everything is being saved as an order. Cart items is another class. Order is a class. Those are all being saved within the program and able to be accessed throughout any form. Alright, let's try to pay for with a gift card. I know the gift card that I have here is 1111111. Payment amount, let's just do $65.35. Process payment. Looks like we had about $500 on that gift card. We have $434.65 left. Perfect. I'll save that for later. Let's look at the spark plugs. You know what? We need a spark plug tester to make sure our spark plugs are in good working order. So we apply a coupon here. Since we think the spark plug is a little too overpriced, we have a coupon for it. Apply a coupon. Your coupon code apply15, which is what we just did, has been applied. Discount amount is $4.65, and it updates the total payment due. As you can see, it's different here. And then when we close out of this, it updates here and says coupon applied. That will not let you apply another coupon. All right, so showed off all the payment method stuff. Let's say, you know, we opened this, but you know what? The customer decided he didn't want it. Well, you know what? That's a problem, because once you open one of these forms, the program is going to assume that you want to pay for something, or that you already paid for part of it, or could have paid for part of it. So what we can do is click OK. Manager, come over here. Manager comes over. He types in his password, and the card has been cleared. And if there was a payment made, you will receive a refund in 3 to 5 days. Perfect. That solves that problem. Now let's go into manager mode. Manager mode is basically the way to add, modify, or delete products out of the database. So just to kind of show you how the add product works, let's say we want to add a cleaning product, and we'll do Windex regular strength. Product number 123. Product price, we'll do $6.99. And we have 10 of them in stock. Your program was added to the database. Perfect. Let's close out of this. Reloads the form, as you can tell there. Cleaning products, Windex regular strength. Price is $6.99. Go ahead and add that here. Pay for it with a $100 bill. Your change is $9D242. Perfect. So that worked. Manager mode. Say we want to change these Michelin Latitude tires because, you know what, we no longer carry them for SUVs. We want them for cars now. We also only have 15 in stock, and we want to change the price to $199.99. Put them on sale, and you can even do something like sale here. Submit changes, reloads the form. Go back to the tires. Oh, we got a sale on these Michelin tires. Click on that. Everything updates. It's $199.99. Pay for that with a couple $100 bills. And oh, that's a bug right there. So something that I just want to show you guys, when we added this to the cart, I thought that I was only paying $200, but really the tax was $17 for a total of $216.99. So if we accepted that payment, it would still actually owe $16.99. Let's go ahead and pay for that with another 20. All right. Now let's go back to manager mode. And let's see. So I added a spark plug. This spark plug 1, spark plug 2. This was a test of our database add a product. So what we'll do is we'll select that, click delete product. It's going to prompt you, are you sure you want to delete this product? The reason I have a prompt here is because I want to make sure, you know, that you didn't click this by accident. That's pretty much the reason. If you delete this product from the database, obviously you'd have to add it all back in. You would have to make sure that you have all the right information and whatnot. So basically, yeah, you want to make sure you have this. So we click yes. It tells you what the product was and that it has been deleted. Click OK. Click out of this. And you can go back to your spark plugs and see that spark plug 1, spark plug 2 is no longer in the database. You cannot add it here. I want to thank you for watching my program and paying attention to all of this. I know it's not the flashiest thing in the world, but you know what? It took a while to build, and I'm really proud of it. So thank you so much.